So in the next step, I'm going to show you how to license the Firepower 1010. The first thing you want to do is go to software.cisco.com and log in with your account. So as a partner, you should be having your own smart account. Should you not, please do reach out to your distributor and ask them about this. And as a customer, you too should have your own smart account from where the licenses will be consumed from. So please do speak to your partner or your distributor and they can help you get this configured. So to find the licenses that you have purchased upon purchasing the Firepower 1010, they'll be found in the Smart Software Manager. So if you click on Manage Licenses, and then under the Inventory and under Licenses, your licenses that you have purchased will be available here. So it'll say available to use, meaning that it's not been consumed yet until you have registered this device with your smart account, upon which these devices will then be consumed, and it'll then be under the in-use column. You'll have once here. So to get started, we go back to the Firepower. Under the bottom here, we have Smart License. So the first thing I'm going to do is register the device. So if I click on Register Device, what it's going to ask me to do is get a token from the Smart Account Manager. So if I go back to the Smart Account under General, I'm going to generate a new token here. I'm just going to say Firepower 1010. Maximum number of users. This is just for myself, so I'm just going to put 1 here. I'm going to create that token. So now that the token's been created, I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Go back to the dashboard. And you can choose a region, whichever region you're in. So since we're in APJC, we're going to be in APJ. And then I'm gonna register this device. So it takes usually about a minute to complete. So if we go back, you'll see that it's starting to do its thing now. It's now connecting and getting the license. You'll see now that we are connected. It has detected that we have sufficient licenses. So I'm gonna go ahead and enable all the licenses. So you'll note that the base license has been applied, which has the base firewall capabilities, application visibility and control. So I'm going to enable threat, malware, and URL licenses. So after giving it a moment, you'll realize that they've all turned green and you'll see them as enabled status. Going back to the software manager, the Smart Account Software Manager, you'll realize under licenses now that those licenses are all in use. So we have now successfully licensed the firewall. That was really easy to do, and we can now get started with the next thing, which is configuring the updates so that it has the latest updates, and then we'll start doing some basic configurations.